Here we have a 70 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the M Sport Pro package, technology and also visibility packages. We have the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the gloss black front splitter as well. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel just down here, again in excellent condition with the blue calipers behind. We have the side skirts running along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Now we also have the twin axle air suspensions. The vehicle can raise or lower, which is currently set to the lowest setting. We do have the black roof rails, panoramic glass sunroof up top, it's currently open, can also get put onto a tilt. We then have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. And we do also have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors and a visual display inside. We have the dual exhaust at the back with the rear diffuser and also a power operated tailgate. If you press this button just here on the remote, you'll find it will open it just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have the button to lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. Press that button and then we can close the bottom half, or open the bottom half, sorry. We do have the charger just there. We also have the parcel shelf at the top. We also have hooks on either side. Now if you just close it back and then press this button and it will close again like so. Coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look now at the interior, so coming into the back first, you'll find the full leather seats. We have the M Sport style seat belts, foldable armrests in the centre and also fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, brushed metal door handles, electric windows and ambient lighting on the doors. And again, the same leather seats for the front, with both front seats being heated. There is a look at them. They're also electrically adjustable, which is controlled down there with the memory function for the driver's side. Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights down here. We have the automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel, which is also electrically adjustable. Taking the seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We do have the stalk down there for the electrically adjustable steering wheel. Cruise control and speedometer just here on the left hand side, along with the high beam assist as well. We do have paddle shifters as well on either side. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We've got the main infotainment screen in the centre. Now if any lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Got plenty of features on here. If we go through them, we do have the buttons down here. Click onto media, you find the radio stations along with the other media options on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We have these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now if we go onto the main menu, go over to car, onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting just here, many colours which you can go through. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down, we have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers with the ice-cold air conditioning and the heated seats as well on either side, all working as it should do. Again, further down, we've got the gloss black trim. We have some storage space inside of here with the cup holders and the wireless phone charging. Close that off just like so. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so we can press these buttons just here to flick between the different drive modes quickly. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with the 360 cameras on the right. Put it back into drive, it goes to the front facing camera. But if we go over to the left, we can see the 3D view, where we can go all the way around the vehicle, 360 degrees of each individual camera. You can see they all work just as they should do. Again, if we go over to the left, we also have the car wash view, which is a top-down view of the front end. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, hill descent control, and we do also have the air suspension just here, so you can quickly raise or lower the vehicle. We then have the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide next to delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight on true. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has plenty of features. We also have paddle shifters either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap one of the paddles to change gear. It's also electrically adjustable with the stalk just down here. Now we do also have the cruise control and speed limiter buttons here on the left hand side, volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well, which you can show with different displays, and above there we also have the heads-up display, which is currently showing the speed limit for the current road along with the digital speedometer. Now if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which also sounds incredible. We also have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof up top with the Sky Lounge, looks really nice. We also have the ambient lighting as well, looks superb at night time. Now we also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav. Also has many more features on there you would have seen on the photos. Below there we also have the dual zone climate control with the cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. We have the intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Now we do have the automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so if we put our right indicator on, and then we start to slow down, and I'm going to take a right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1, pan onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reverse camera and the 360 view, change into drive, and it changes to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.